Many producers are aware of this problem, but are unsure of its root cause. Chrysodeixis includens is frequently associated with this problem. The following are typical symptoms. This caterpillar damages agricultural output by feeding on plant components. Initially, the juvenile larvae create a pattern of holes that resemble window panes by feeding on the underside of the leaf, leaving the upper side intact. Larger larvae cause irregularly shaped holes and torn leaf edges as they consume the whole leaf, beginning at the leaf margin, leaving just the broad vertical veins. When there is abnormal leaf drop, the caterpillars progressively move higher and outward while feeding on leaves from the plant's underside and within the canopy. Rarely do they harm fruit or flowers. However, in cases of leaf drop, the larvae often continue to attack soybean pods. It usually develops under conditions such as the damage mentioned above originates from the larvae of the soybean caterpillar, scientifically known as Pseudoplusia includens. Adult caterpillars are dark brown with shimmering copper and gold-colored stripes and spots on the forewings. Two easily recognizable silver streaks are visible in the middle of the wings. Female caterpillars lay eggs on the underside of low-lying leaves and within the foliage. The larvae are green with white stripes running along their sides and backs. A distinctive feature is their 3 pairs of legs arranged unevenly. Along their bodies, 2 pairs in the middle, and 1 pair at the tail. This leg arrangement causes the larvae to arch their backs when moving, hence their name, measuring caterpillar. Adult larvae spin soft, loose cocoons to develop into pupae on the underside of leaves. Always consider combining preventative measures and biological treatments where applicable. Soybean caterpillars themselves are not a threat to the crop. Consider damage from other potential leaf pests before making a decision on chemical control. Treatments should be applied if leaf damage reaches 40% before flowering, 20% during flowering and fruiting, or 35% during fruiting until harvest. Insecticides containing indoxacarb, methoxyfenozide, or spinetoram may be used. Avoid pyrethroid insecticides, as there have been reports of resistance to these insecticides. To help prevent this problem, use resistant and disease-tolerant varieties if available. Plant earlier than the cropping season and use early maturing varieties to avoid the worst damage. Regularly monitor the bean field for signs of pests, especially in the lower foliage. Remove and destroy infected larvae or plants. Keep your plants healthy and vibrant throughout the growing season. Control the use of pesticides to avoid affecting the populations of beneficial insects. Erect plant supports and create open spaces for birds to feed on caterpillar larvae. Use traps to monitor and catch caterpillars. Overall, the leaf surface develops window-like perforations. The leaf margins are ragged and the holes on the leaf blade have an uneven form. The adult caterpillars feature shimmering stripes and patches of copper and gold on their dark brown forewings. For more helpful advice on plant care, subscribe to the channel